I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time.